Good morning, all. I'm Smita Chogle and I'm from Mumbai working with an MNCA bank. I have always dreamt of being a successful counselor, for which I have been surfing the net to get a proper platform. That's when I came across the NHCA platform. This platform happens to have a variety of courses. Through the course pattern, you are guided with a mentor who helps you in achieving your goal. I met Dr. Pavan Mittal, who is my guide and mentor. Throughout the start of my journey, he has helped me in knowing my course pattern as well as the exam pattern. We happen to have a webinar which is on every Fridays as well as Mondays. It's a 1 hour session which has renowned doctors as well as counselors who happen to talk about certain career courses as well as certain problems on which we talk and share our views on the topics. We also have the guidance of Dr. Mittal in any difficulties of your life as well as the course pattern. He has been a friend, a mentor, and a guidance for me throughout my journey with NHCA family. I have been happy to have had Dr. Mittal as my mentor because it's been a difficult journey for me. I have a gap of 17 years that I have not been in touch with studies. I was firstly very scared in enrolling myself for this course because I felt I could never achieve it. Throughout this course, it has been very simple because the guidance in which you get to know the course pattern as well as the way you need to study, how much you need to study, and the exam pattern is a simplified way of exam which you can give and achieve your goal. There are certain times which when you feel that it's difficult and how would I do it, that's when your mentor comes and tells you that this is something that you can do it. Throughout my career span, I have been difficult or it has been difficult for me to achieve certain things in life, and I'm thankful to the NHCA platform to have bought this confidence in me in achieving my goal in being a successful counselor. In these sessions we do have webinar which are 1 hour sessions on every Friday where we have renowned doctors as well as counselors who help you in achieving your goal, in doing your brandings, as well as talking about certain problems or psychological problems. These webinars happen to talk on these certain problems wherein we share our views or in knowing more about the problems or how we could solve the problems in a much more better manner. Throughout the course pattern, I didn't have any such difficulty knowing what the course is because it was very simple and I enjoyed the course throughout. It was like being a member of a new family. That's the NHCA family. By the end of the course, the kind of knowledge that you gain is something that you will treasure throughout your life. We do have a certified course in which you get a proper certificate which comes in a leather folder. I would happen to show you the leather folder because this is something which made me very happy. My mom actually had tears in her eyes when she saw this certificate in my hand. It comes in a leather folder with a proper letter from the NHCA as well as the certificate. The certificate is a entirely best part of this course. As I had my certificate and I am very happy to have achieved my goal with the help and guidance of Dr. Mittal as well as NHCA. I am extremely happy to be a family member of NHCA and would continue with different courses to achieve a higher level in my life. And I would request everyone to be a part of this beautiful family which helps you live and achieve your dreams throughout your life. Thank you so much.